Alright, good morning, welcome back to the channel. So if you watched my fairly recent video of putting my front pipe in, you will have seen that my cat does not fit. So a big shout out to a dude named Anthony who messaged me on Instagram and said, hey, you've got the cat that I need and I have the cat that you need. Do you want to swap? Yes, that's brilliant. So our mate lives pretty close to me. I'm gonna go pick it up now. We're gonna do a swap. He's got an Evo 7, which is pretty nice. It's yellow, I like it. He's got an Evo 9 cat and I have one that will fit his JDM setup. So I'm gonna go swap it, then I can bang it on, and then that should hopefully fix my check engine light that I'm having. Check engine light says it is a cat code. I have a niggling feeling that it's actually an O2 sensor, but the code says cat, so with any luck it's a cat. So I'm gonna go pick that up right now, swap it out. Hopefully that's no more warning lights for the Evo. Interestingly, the car when I got it didn't actually have this code, so this has come up since I've owned it, so I'm not sure why or what I've done to the damn thing. I have pulled it off twice, but I don't think that coincided with when the code came up, so who knows why it came up, but it has. So let's get this. I believe it's a Hyperflow Cat, which will be excellent. My O2 sensor should fit. It should fit with the flange angles. For some unknown reason, Aussie delivered Evos, ADM Evo 8s and 9s have a different flange angle to the JDM ones. I don't really understand why that is, but it is. So I'll keep you posted. Here's what we got. We got a Hyperflow Evo 9 cat. It even says Evo 9 on it, so this should work. I looked when I was there. The flange angle is very different. Plus the O2 bung on the one I had was over here. On this one, it's over there, in the right spot where it should be. Old mate also gave me gaskets and bolts. Didn't have to do that, but he was a legend. So appreciate you, Anthony. You're a great bloke. Thank you very much. Now let's jack old sus up and bang that on. All right, I've got our assortment of implements. I think I've got an 18 and 19 mil in there. It's a bit strange. They're the bolts I had. But you need a big old 22 mil to get the O2 sensor over the top, which will be the first step. And then we can slip that up underneath there to replace that big ugly gross thing. That's ugly and gross. But as I said, need 22 mil. Let's get that O2 sensor out, and then we can pull the cat out. So to go on the other side, it's a lot easier to access from the other side. So let's do that. All right, there's a stock cat, as we've seen many times. There's a little O2 sensor in the top at the front. Let's put the 22 mil on and try and get that off. Whoa, I think we got it. Ow, what was moving then? Now we got it. Let's undo our little O2 sensor up the top there. Get him out of the way. Okay, now we're gonna break these ones. I think they're 18s. Please be 18s, I don't wanna go get another one. Oh my god, they're gonna be 19s, bruh. Gotcha. Alright, leave the bolts in so it doesn't fall on our heads. Okay, go get a 19. This is, we're getting a camera shot, hopefully. I need to check it because I forgot. This is like a weird stud bolt setup. Alright, got one. Why the other one all the way up there? Whoa, I nearly hit myself in the face. Face out of the way. Wait, that's tighter. Oh, no, is that tighter? Which way am I going? I don't know which way I'm going. That might be also. Oh, fuck. What happened to Lefty Lucy? Yeah, no, it is towards me. Bang that on there. Oh, it's loose. I got it. I cracked it and I didn't even know. Wait, fuck, I don't even know how to hold my pipe up. Oh my god, I need a jack. Why am I always upside down when I'm doing this shit? Shall we pull this cat out? So I think if we pull these bolts out, camera wherever you are, hello, then I should just be out, because these are studs, so I can't pull these bolts out because they're not bolts, because they're studs. So if I pull these out and hold that, then I should just be able to lower and then fucking see you later. Oh, 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 oh. Oh no. Oh, oh, hello. Got it. Nice. Seal it up. Goodbye forever. Ugh, gross. Alright. Moment of truth. See whether this thing is gonna fit. And I'm pretty sure it is. But I feel like I said that. Oh, ow, last time. Well, that's gonna do the trick, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna pull that one up there. Like so. I think the next thing we should do now is put the O2 sensor in, because that's a real pain in the ass and it will be easier to do while that's down, so then we can see what's going on. So I'm gonna go over that side. And then you get your sensor and then you twist it a whole heap. Might be the easiest I've ever done an O2 sensor, to be perfectly honest with you. Shall we put our bolts in? Don't forget your gasket, done that before. Looks like we might have been having a little leak. I wonder if that was causing my check engine light. So let's make sure that's not gonna happen again. Let's put it in a bit better. My god, it actually fits. Oh, neck. Seeing a shiny cat up in there that actually fits is like a weird feeling right now. Like I'm kind of confused. Do this up nice and tight, try and center the gasket so we know it's not going to leak like it was before, because nobody likes exhaust leaks. Just made me fairy bread.
This is delicious.
You go hard with the sprinkles, though.
I know, it has to be like fully sprinkled.
It's fully sprinkled. I haven't had fairy bread in so long. Want to go back?
Yeah, I'm not that.
Why did you make me fairy bread? Why is this happening?
Well, actually, I made it for myself and I kind of give you a bite, but then I decided to just give it all to you.
Alright, so we've got our Hyperflow Evo 9 cat in. We've got NVIDIA dumb, NVIDIA front, Hyperflow Evo 9 cat, NVIDIA M1 cat back. It's beautiful, it's in, it looks fantastic. O2 sensors at the right angle, so that's not gonna hit anything, it looks fine. So let's go and see if we can start this thing up once we get rid of all the shit under it. Alright, it's all on, let's look them in, let's get this thing started. Hopefully it does start. I haven't cleared the code, so I should still have a check engine light. I imagine I'll have to clear it. Like, I don't think just changing the cat will disappear the check engine light, but I don't really know fucking anything about anything. So let's just start this thing up, if it starts, because I haven't driven it in like a week and a half, and the battery's a bit hang on. But let's start and see what happens while it's still on jack stands, and I can check it out. So if you look down there, that check engine light should disappear, but it doesn't. So let's... Oh, you're joking. Fuck's sakes. Big girl. Holy hell. That's the freaking hardest it's ever revved. Wow. Alright. We're on. Let's have a look underneath. Yep, still there. It's good to me. It is definitely louder now. Our check engine light is still on, so I'm going to clear it. Usually it needs about 2 heat cycles to come on, so I'll go for a little drive, I'll stop the car, and then I'll start driving again. Then generally it comes on sort of after a little bit, so I'm going to do that. To be honest, like, I forgot that this might have made the car louder, and it did. So I'm pretty pumped about that, because I was sort of thinking about going for a louder exhaust, but I'm obviously going to leave this set up for a while and see how that goes. I'm going to let this run for a minute, obviously, since the battery was dead. Unfortunately, it's raining right now. I really don't want to drive in the rain, but it's the only time I have. So we're going to drive in the rain, because it's not like it hasn't been rained on before. Let's do a cold start for the boys. It might be a little bit warm still, so it might be a little bit of a warm start, but let's see. forgot we have to clear the check engine light. Alright, we're in. Read codes. Yep, that's our cat. See, it says bank 1, which I'm pretty sure means the O2 sensor in the dump. That's why I have a feeling it's the O2 sensor, not the cat. But anyway, read codes. Yep, whatever. See you later. Goodbye. Cool. We're out. No more check engine light. Very nice. The cat makes the car definitely louder, especially when you get on the source a little bit. It sounds heaps better. Definitely louder. So I just drove for about 25 minutes, half hour. Pull up, turn the car off, and then it generally comes back on when we start driving again. So pull up here for 5, then I'll head home. And fingers crossed it doesn't come on. I'll be so pumped if it doesn't. But either way, car sounds a lot better. I really like the exhaust now. Pretty happy with it. Do you remember when I said I have a niggling feeling it might be an O2 sensor? Ah, no. What is that? What? Anyway, spewing about that is what it is. Had a feeling. I'm gonna guess it's the front O2 sensor, considering this is an Australian delivered Evo, so it has 2. Has 1 in the cat and 1 in the dump. Thankfully, I have an aftermarket manifold, so it'll be easy to change. So I'm gonna do that. There's Jess, just sticking her head in. My check engine light came on.
No!
Yeah!
No!
I know.
No!
Oh. Bruh.
I thought it was the cat.
So did I. No, it must be an O2 sensor. I don't know what else it could be.
Sus.
Sus. This car is sus. I'm gonna order O2 sensor for the front. I'm not gonna order O2 sensor for the cat because it says bank 1. Pretty sure that means it's the front one. So I'm gonna order one of them. We'll find out. Thanks again, Anthony, for the cat. The car sounds a lot better with it. It sounds angry. I'm happy with the exhaust now. Probably gonna leave it as is, and that's it. Go watch that video if you want. Goodbye.